Welcome back to InnoCars Sight, where we bring you the most fascinating stories and in-depth details of iconic automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary vehicles in automotive history, the 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116. According to the latest updates, this car not only redefined luxury, but also set new standards for engineering, safety, and comfort. The W116 was the first model to officially bear this class designation, marking a turning point in Mercedes-Benz's legacy. Join us as we explore every detail of this masterpiece, from its design to its groundbreaking innovations. The 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116 introduced a bold and modern design that broke away from the boxy aesthetics of earlier models. According to official updates, the exterior was meticulously crafted to combine elegance with aerodynamic efficiency. The front end featured a prominent chrome grille with the iconic three-pointed star emblem at its center, flanked by large round headlights that gave the car an authoritative yet refined appearance. The body lines were clean and streamlined, emphasizing the car's length and width while reducing drag. The rear design included sleek taillights that stretched horizontally across the trunk lid, ensuring excellent visibility during nighttime driving. Chrome accents on the bumpers and side moldings added a touch of sophistication, while the overall proportions exuded a sense of grandeur. Every detail, from the flush-fitting windows to the precisely engineered door handles, reflected Mercedes' commitment to precision and quality. One notable feature of the W116 was its attention to practicality. The car was designed with ample interior space, offering generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The long wheelbase further enhanced ride comfort, making it ideal for long-distance travel. According to verified updates, the W116's design became a benchmark for luxury sedans, influencing countless manufacturers in the decades that followed. Stepping inside the 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116 reveals a cabin that epitomizes luxury and innovation. According to confirmed specifications, the interior was adorned with premium materials such as hand-stitched leather upholstery, polished wood trim, and plush carpeting. The seats were ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort, with options for power adjustments and heating in higher trims. Rear passengers were treated to equally lavish accommodations, with reclining seatbacks and adjustable headrests available in certain models. The dashboard was a marvel of engineering, featuring analog gauges arranged in a clear and intuitive layout. A centrally mounted clock and a variety of toggle switches for climate control, lighting, and other functions added to the car's classic charm. Speaking of climate control, the W116 introduced an advanced system capable of maintaining precise temperatures throughout the cabin. This was a significant advancement at the time, allowing occupants to enjoy unparalleled comfort regardless of external conditions. Under the hood, the 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116 offered a range of powerful and reliable engines. According to verified updates, buyers could choose between several configurations, including inline-6 and V8 options. The base model featured a 2.8-liter M110 inline-6 engine, producing 160 horsepower, while higher-end variants came equipped with the robust 4.5-liter M117 V8 engine, delivering up to 225 horsepower. These engines were paired with either a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and effortless acceleration. The suspension system was another standout feature of the W116. It utilized a double wishbone setup at the front and a trailing arm design at the rear, ensuring exceptional handling and stability. Engineers paid meticulous attention to ride comfort, incorporating self-leveling hydropneumatic suspension in some models to maintain consistent ride height regardless of load. This innovation allowed the car to glide over uneven surfaces with remarkable ease, further enhancing its reputation as a luxury sedan. One of the most groundbreaking advancements of the W116 was its introduction of anti-lock braking technology ABS. According to official updates, the W116 became one of the first production cars in the world to offer ABS as an option, revolutionizing vehicle safety. This system prevented wheel lockup during hard braking, allowing drivers to maintain control even in emergency situations. Such forward-thinking engineering solidified the W116's status as a pioneer in automotive innovation. Safety was a top priority for Mercedes-Benz when designing the 1972 S-Class W116. According to recent updates, the car incorporated numerous features that were revolutionary for its time. One of the most significant innovations was the use of crumple zones in the body structure. These zones were engineered to absorb impact energy during collisions, protecting occupants from severe injuries. Reinforced doors and side impact protection bars further enhanced occupant safety, while padded interiors minimized the risk of injury in the event of an accident. The introduction of ABS was complemented by other safety features, such as dual-circuit braking systems and improved lighting technology. The W116 also featured large, distortion-free mirrors and strategically placed warning lights to enhance driver awareness. According to official updates, these innovations collectively made the W116 one of the safest cars of its era, setting new benchmarks for the industry. Beyond its technical achievements, the 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116 achieved immense cultural significance. According to historical updates, it became a symbol of prestige and success, often associated with diplomats, business leaders, and celebrities. Its presence on roads commanded respect, while its association with high-profile individuals elevated its status as a hallmark of luxury and refinement. Even today, the W116 continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Classic car events and auctions frequently showcase meticulously restored examples of the S-Class, celebrating its timeless design and engineering excellence. According to verified updates, the W116's influence can still be seen in modern Mercedes-Benz models, which continue to prioritize luxury, performance, and safety. In conclusion, the 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116 stands as a testament to innovation, craftsmanship, and visionary thinking. From its elegant design and luxurious interior to its powerful performance and groundbreaking safety features, this vehicle truly embodied the essence of what makes Mercedes-Benz a leader in the automotive world. According to official updates, the W116 not only shaped the future of the S-Class lineup, but also left an indelible mark on the entire industry. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 1972 Mercedes S-Class W116 here at InnoCars Sight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content celebrating the marvels of the motoring world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.